Hello, my dear friends. Next one order for our customer is ready. It's RFM 200 machine, and we will make a test today on very interesting product. It's a protein bar based on date paste with chopped peanuts. Must to say, this machine is most popular from range of our equipment. It's very compact, very useful, effective, and simple machine for maintenance and for using as well. Our ingredients today for our bar, it's first one is date paste, second is dry protein, third is chopped peanuts, fourth is cacao powder, fifth and last one is salt. Mix them together. Our mix is ready, and test, and you wonderful, believe me. Let's try how it works. To start work of the machine, need to start only start button. Dear friends, today we've seen a good result of good shaped products. Big size, without any wastes, good test, and you can see how to easy use our machine for your dreams, for your manufacturing, for your bars. We recommend to cooperate with us and buy our equipment. Thank you.